We're back. Okay, so without further ado, we shall discuss the quiz.
Let us just share our screen. Okay.
So we know this was a relatively easy one. It's the third day and the final day.
Okay, can you see the screen? Are you all able to see the screen? All right, perfect. Fasting properly is more important than breaking the fast. Is that true or false? It's actually false. Breaking the fast is much more important than the fast itself. Time taken to break the fast should be half the length of the fast is the right answer. So if you've been fasting for 3 days, it should take you 1.5 days to actually break the fast. What is the first gear when it comes to breaking the fast? To have fruits to begin with. Yes, absolutely. Fruits are the first gear. If you're breaking a 3-day fast, when will you have your first cooked meal? The correct answer is fourth day lunch. We should break a fast very gradually is the right answer. Why is it important to break our fast gradually? Because our digestive fire is very small and needs to be slowly built up. What amongst the following options should you have in the evening before starting your fast? A single fruit.
Can we have homemade soaked moong dal chila tomorrow for breakfast? Are we going to have chila for breakfast tomorrow?
No. I'm just seeing in the chat.
Was that a wrong answer?
Yes, I'm so sorry. Yes, you're all right. The right answer is fifth day lunch. It is my mistake. The right answer is fifth day lunch.
Okay, moving on.
Can we have homemade bread after tomorrow? No, we anyways do not recommend bread in the Sattvic lifestyle.
Breaking a fast suddenly with grains, pulses, and cooked food is dangerous. If your family asks you to eat idli and sambar for lunch tomorrow, what will you tell them? No, thank you, I will eat only fruits.
As
That's
I'm
the right
breaking my
answer.
fast gradually.
Choose if the statement holds true. You should not do intense physical activity right after your fast. You can resume your normal lifestyle immediately after the fast. So the right answer is we have to gradually even ease into our activity just the way we would gradually ease into our food. What is the most advanced level of a fast? This is a little tricky. The right answer is fasting without water. So we discussed that is even more advanced than an advanced fast. It's the most advanced level of a fast. How should we continue fasting in our life from today onwards? once a week fast, happy disease fast, or a daily 16-hour fast? So all three are right answers. We recommend you do all three to take fasting forward in your life. A regular 16-hour fast, a fast when we have happy disease like cold, cough, fever, diarrhea, headaches, stomach ache, and a once a week fast, which is any day of the week you can choose. You could do a basic fast, a moderate fast, or an advanced fast. Which one is true? Basic fasts include eating multiple fruits and vegetables? No. Moderate fasts include eating only juices and soups? No. Advanced fasts allow only water and nothing else? Yes, that's true. Which is a better way to live? Eat dinner at 9 o'clock but complete your 16-hour fast, or eat dinner at 6 o'clock and it's okay even if you just manage to do 15 and a half hours. So here, the 16-hour principle is not meant to be followed blindly. What's more important that we get round about 16 hours, but we end up finishing our last meal as early to sunset as possible. And this image, as I had shared with you in the morning, very, very important so that we can understand the situation of the digestive fire inside us. It's symbolic to the digestive fire inside us, which is very dheema right now, very small. Now Subha will take you through the next half of the quiz.
What was Joe's advice for us to overcome temptation? The right answer is, he said that we should make a video of ourselves to watch later, absolutely. And the second was, understand that fun should always be moderated. Joe has reversed which of the following key problems by juicing? Skin problem. What is Joe's favorite juice? So he described two juices. The first one was mean green and the second one was a watermelon pineapple
and
one.
ginger. But in this, the only option given was the mean green.
What is the best way to inspire others to fast? Should we force them to fast? Should we keep convincing them to fast? No. Simply show them. Don't tell them. Be a role model and they'll automatically follow. Saying won't help. He said you have to take action. So C is the right answer. What was the biggest benefit Joe received from juicing?
So we're talking only about the biggest benefit.
It is B, the fact that he can be of service to others. When we are doing 16 hours fast, what comes in as a friend to our Pran Shakti? The right answer is ashgard juice.
Or pethe ka juice.
What did Jesus Christ say in the Essene Gospel of Peace? Eat for 6 days and fast on the 7th day. To eat when you are sick is to feed your sickness. Who was that said by? Yes, by Hippocrates. What is the best way to do a 3-day juice fast? As a community wherein there is someone to guide us is the right answer. Can we extend this juice fast beyond 5 days? Yes, we can, only if we have the supervision of a guide. We don't recommend that you continue it if you don't have any supervision. And that takes us to an end of the quiz.
So how many of you have scored full marks? How many of you have scored? All right. I'm just pulling up the answers as we speak.
How many right answers did you get? So this was a relatively easy quiz, isn't it? So some of you saying 2 wrong, some of you saying 1 wrong, 3 wrong. Anyone who got all right? Anybody who got all the right answers, please tell us in the chat box. So what's the score, Harsh?
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners
Wow.
with us today who all got all right. So we're gonna take the names quickly. Miss, so we have 5 names: Shruti ji, Shruti Bubna ji, Rajinder Singh ji, Tanya Mahapatra ji, Pooja Talwar ji, and Krutika Khorat ji.
Are you all here?
We have 5 winners right now.
If yes, please type I am here in the chat box. Can you recheck Harsh?
About?
So it was okay. Shruti ji is here. Who else?
So we have Shruti Bubna ji, Rajinder Singh ji, Tanya
Rajinder ji
Mahapatra
is
ji,
here. Tanya ji, are you here?
Tanya Mahapatra. Kritika ji is here. And Pooja Talwar ji. These are our 5 winners for today. Wonderful. So it's time to announce one more big winner. And this was a very, very close one. The final winner of the joint 3 days of quiz results all put together. And they were very, very close, but we can only have one winner. So the main winner, the top winner for the 3-day in a row, and the person almost featured in the top 5 on all 3 days.
Can you guess? Can you guess who is the final winner for all 3 days?
So we have Mr. AJC Bose.
Yes, so lots of you guessed it right. It's Mr. AJC Bose.
So actually, we are currently
live with him.
So he has joined us right now. How are you feeling, Mr. AJC Bose ji?
Pleasantly surprised.
Would you like to tell us how your experience has been so far?
I've listened to you and seen the movies that you wanted me to see, and also made notes. So I think I have registered quite a bit of your communication, but there were some gray areas once in a while.
What do you think led to you winning? How were you able to be the winner out of so many people?
Yeah, this is unexpected. No, I'm really surprised that I have won.
Have you fasted before? How did you enjoy the 3 days? Would you like to tell us?
Yes, this is the best experience I've had under lockdown.
Okay.
I have done some other online workshops, but this is the best, I would say.
Thank you. Would you like to share your experience in a few lines with everybody else watching us?
Well, the first takeaway is that this is a doable thing, which has given me confidence to take off after we depart from this session. The only thing which I want to ask you is that if I follow your advice from this course, in terms of 16-hour intermittent fasting and 1 day fasting every week, can I quit my diabetes medicines? This has been my main worry.
Okay. Siddha, would you like to share something?
Sure.
Or should I do not know, because I badly wanted once to meet you to get some guidance.
So, what we recommend is that along with the fasting, you also follow the other aspects of the sattvic lifestyle, including the food, the sunbathing. Food is also very, very important. So, as important as the 16-hour fasting is what you eat in that 8-hour eating window. So, there's lots of videos given on our YouTube channel discussing what should the diet plan be, and many recipe videos are also given. So if you're following the whole lifestyle in its entity, then you can very slowly keep reducing your medicine is what we recommend, and meanwhile keep checking your blood sugar levels. So you'll see that you're following the entire lifestyle and your blood sugar is automatically falling down. So the need for medicine will automatically start subsiding, and slowly, very gradually you can even get off medication. But it's important that before you choose to leave medication or reduce medication, you follow the whole lifestyle, which includes the food, the 16-hour fasting, sunbathing, enemas, wet packs, all 5 things.
And don't forget to check with your medical doctor before reducing your medicine. You must consult your medical physician, and you are going to be the winner of the Covings slow press juicer. So please take out 1 glass of fresh green juice every morning and enjoy it. And we hope to see you soon as well, sir. We'll stay connected. Thank you for joining us live. We'll return back and conclude this last session of ours.
I'm very grateful to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So that was our winner, HACG. Back to our final few minutes which we have, and we just wanted to not talk about fasting anymore, not talk about food anymore, and just spend some time with all of you, and thank you from the bottom of our hearts for trusting us, for being with us, for believing in us. So it feels really nice and it feels really warm inside.
How do you all feel after undergoing this 3-day experience? Not the benefits, not the result you got, not the weight loss. How do you feel from inside? How does your heart feel?
Actually, everything else we will learn through our own experiences, but the feeling we get inside is what stays with us.
We want to tell all of you that this journey we started in our lives almost, for me, 4 years back, for Harsh much older. But there was a day when we were both sitting in your seats, in your spots, listening to someone who was sharing this knowledge. When we were listening, we never in our lives thought that someday we'll actually be sharing this knowledge with others. But we started following it on our own selves. We started sharing it with our family. And then God just kept empowering us that now you go share it with others. But through this entire journey, something that we think about every day, honestly, is that we won't be able to take forward this movement alone. It's a movement, which means that we need the support of many thousands of people. We need your support to make this happen. You know how you've experienced the benefit and the power of Mother Nature's healing in these 3 days? Why shouldn't more people benefit from this knowledge? So many people in the world today are suffering from diseases, suffering from many health problems, and this knowledge has the power to reverse all diseases without any medication, without any uh, just naturally by aligning ourselves back with Mother Nature's angels.
So going ahead through Sattvic movement, we want to host various kinds of workshops. This was about fasting. We want to hold one about how it's the simplicity of food and not the complications of food. We want to host one about what's going on in our mind, which is craving, and what's our relationship with food. So not only about food, but many other things. So we need a lot of your support to come on our team, to join us, and to make this your movement, so we can actually do it. It's a there's a lot of work which goes on behind the scenes to actually prepare and to put together everything. So we have a small form which we are sharing with you on chat right now, through which you can write to us if you are keen to be a part of this movement in whichever capacity which is available to you. So please feel free to join, to type, write, fill out the form, and we'll get in touch with all of you, and we'll create a chance for us all to contribute and put all our love and efforts into this movement collectively.
We've posted the link of the form, you can fill it out. The idea is that we can't do this alone. We want this knowledge to reach every household in India, and we can't do it alone. We truly need your support.
And we are not perfect in any way. We are figuring out a lot of things as we progress on this journey. So the idea is not about, we have it all sorted and that exactly we know what we're going to do. It's a learning experience. Each day God teaches us something new, and we'll have to share it with everyone. So we really feel very special if this is something which is interesting to you. So please let us know, and I'm sure we'll find ways for everyone to connect and for us all to put our hearts in this together.
Great.
So we have not really decided when the next juice fast will be. We will allow it to come naturally. There's a lot of improvements which we have made since the previous fasts, and we want to reflect upon all our learnings through this experience and see if we can improve it in any way. So I don't know, maybe in 2 weeks, maybe in 3 weeks, we will decide when we want to host our next fast. But you will all be informed, don't worry, through all the various channels which we are on.
And we also encourage you that please tell your family members about this, your friends, your anyone you know, any loved ones whose health you really care about. Please tell them about this fasting experience so they can join next time and they can take the benefit of this powerful science.
There is one more winner. Subha, we have to announce the main winner of the person who we're going to meet for lunch. So there's still one winner. I think we are still waiting for some more of the videos. We haven't received all the videos yet, especially the final videos. So if we can ask you to share all your videos by today evening, and tomorrow morning we promise we will announce the winner for the most creative juice recipe
And the overall best videos winner.
overall best story sharing videos winner. And we will do that in all the emails, all the community pages, all the groups, all Facebook. So whichever platform you're on, you'll find out tomorrow morning. But please, by this evening, send us all your final videos on Facebook community so we can decide that final winner.
One thing that I'd like to say to all of you is this is not an end. We think that the 3-day juice fast is over, now we're going back to our normal lives. You doing this 3-day juice fast is truly the beginning of a new experience of life. You will see how so many things in life will change after this 3-day juice fast. On a very subtle level, maybe on a very subconscious level, you'll feel. So after this, we recommend or we really inspire you that it's a great opportunity to take up the Sattvic lifestyle in terms of eating plant-based foods, maintaining or making a connection with Mother Nature, making a connection with Mother Nature's elements.
Let this be an opportunity. Since you've put in so much effort, you've maybe done the toughest part of the sattvic lifestyle, which is fasting for 3 days. So this could be that starting point, and nothing better than such a kickstart towards following Mother Nature's laws.
So it's truly the beginning of a new life that you're all going to have after this. Now you're a part of our family. Welcome all of you to the Sattvic family. You've done this 3 day juice fast with us.
It's far from the end. It's in fact the beginning. Sorry.
There's so much more that's going to unveil as we go forward. We'll keep you updated about everything that's happening in the movement, all the workshops, all the latest updates. We truly want you to be with us.
What we will share with you also is how to stay connected. The channel, Sattvic Movement channel, we'll share the links with you. We'll share some of the books we recommend that you read to stay connected to this knowledge. We'll share a few of the documentaries other than the ones you've already watched, which will again keep you inspired on this journey. We will share with you other resources which we think will be helpful for you to continue on this path, not only of fasting but connecting with Mother Nature. And every single thing we share with you is going to be free of cost. Everything will be available on all online free of cost. So really there should be nothing which should come in the way of us connecting with Mother Nature. She's given us everything for free. Also, quick point to share that all the money that we have raised through the 3 day juice fast, all your money, all your contributions, our donations, they are all going to be used to help people who are currently suffering from the coronavirus, from the COVID-19 disease. So whether it's the people out who've lost their jobs and don't have food and they're on the street, whether it's the frontline doctors who need some help and guidance and support through the food, through emotional well-being, with all this money is going to go to them. So this is truly a non-profit organization, and we welcome all of you to join us in making it reach the right places. This is not about two of us who are reading this knowledge and trying to bring it to all of you. It's not about only knowledge base. It's a service which we want, that this should become a platform for us to all serve. So every single penny we get from this is going towards just supporting others who are out there doing all the work which we don't want to know. We are sitting in our houses very comfortable. We don't know what's going on out there. The least we can do is support them financially. So this is our way of contributing. So let's just share our thoughts to them. Let's share our love with them.
So while we do our prayer today as a closing ceremony, we would like, if we can together right now, also pray for all of those suffering from the virus and just ask God to keep His hand on all our heads and just bless us. Not to reverse this problem, not to change anything, but just to be with us during this problem.
Okay? So that for the very last time with us, you will take God's name, whichever God you like, whichever God you believe in, but just say it out loud, not just inside you. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So for the last time, as we say goodbye to all of you, we will end it on a high. And we will scream our lungs out. We will scream and shout with joy, with love for this community that we've all been given. So wherever you are, join us as we do Juice On, followed by the country for the very last time. So you have to say it out loud and you have to raise your hand like you mean it. And after that, we'll sign off. So this is going to be the last two words that come out of our mouth. Are you ready? Wherever you are. 3, 2, 1. Juice on India!